I'm Ryan Parker of Parker Home Renovations in New Braunfels, Texas, and today I'm going to teach you how to re-grout and reseal your tile. Okay, a lot of people in their homes have trampled through the tile areas and gotten the grout dirty at one point, and they don't like the way it looks. Well, today I'm going to teach you how to re-grout that and reseal it to make it look new again. Now, the first thing you need is you need a grout of your choice or the grout that matches the existing grout. You'll need 2 buckets, one to mix the grout in and one to hold water. You'll need it's called a sealer wheel. You put your sealer inside this little container and you use the wheel to roll on the grout joints. That seals the grout joint. You'll need a grout float and a sponge. You can get any of this at any of your larger home improvement stores. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to scrape the top 1/8 inch of your grout off. So you can use a grout scraper or a razor or whatever you need to use to scrape that top 1/8 inch off. And what that'll do is it'll actually get the grime and grease off the grout in that area. Then what you'll do is you'll mix your grout with water until you get a peanut butter type paste. And then you'll want to get your grout float and you get the grout out and you re-grout those lines. And then once the grout's good and dry, you'll usually need to give it about 8 hours, so you'll have to do it one day and come back the next day to seal it. Once it's good and dry, you pour your sealer in the sealer wheel and you roll the sealer on the joints. And that's how you re-grout and reseal tile. You can visit me at parkerhomerenovations.com.